TronMakers. So this is the final level, level 6. Eventually, as the team moves up together, we'll eventually get moved to level 6, and that would cost a 500,000 TRX, which presumably you would have collected by doing levels 1 to 5. And an incentive per partner will be 35,000 TRX out of that, so that would be paid out of that. And it's paid it to your 10 upline, so we've added another upline for the final one, 10th upline. Now you're qualified to receive earnings from 10 downlines, and the estimate would be all these partners would be underneath it, 2046, with the incentive of 35,000 TRX per partner that joins within that network. So here's all the profit calculations. So it'd end up being 71.6 million tron receive. The tron you will receive is 71.6 million. 71.6 million tron, and so it's outstanding, and everyone gets paid in the system, so it's brilliant. We are pre-launched. The pre-launch is 1st September, so good to get into it now. We are the #1 team as well, and so it'd be great. Make sure you've got your Tron link wallet in your Chrome browser, and you can link it up to this smart contract and pay the 500,000 when we move up. But do keep posted to this channel. Do not move up before, so that the team moves up together. We're currently only on level 2, so that's the highest one you should upgrade to at the moment. Feel free to like, subscribe and share, and hit the bell notifications, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers!